We'll just do the short unboxing. So I'll just show you how the package looks like. So you have this plastic all around, and there is a tab. Just pull this, peel it off, and then here you have another plastic here to pull it. So I'll just pull it, and this is what comes out. So the box is empty. It comes out like this. We have like some packaging and other stuff. And here you have the brand new pencil. It doesn't make any wobbling sound, and you can see it's like fully laminated. So that's the Apple Pencil. Just pretty much in the box. They don't give any stickers or anything, but you can see they have just a bunch of papers, probably with some instructions how to use, but there's no rocket science. You can use it just by connecting into your tablet. Yeah. So thank you very much for your time and attention, and I wish you all the very best.